market did really rally today, right? Like we are up. And
You're broken. No, I'm here to find money.
Jim. Okay, so okay. Let me get some music and we'll start soon. We got like an hour, yes, about an hour, and the show after that. Media, music. What's up, guys? We started show soon. Give me a couple of minutes, huh? Give me a couple of minutes. All right, let's start the show, man. Give me a couple of minutes, and let me just quickly do one thing real quick. Turn this music down. I know it's pretty loud. Music. Where's it go? Here we go. Yeah, Jim, guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys doing okay. I'm back again for another show. Because I'm pretty busy, so I'm gonna try and do this show. I think definitely Tuesday and Wednesday, definitely. Friday, possibly. I'm just gonna go live when I can because it's difficult to try to set a date now because school's back the kids are in school, they're doing sports, so I need to be there for them. But when I could go live, I go live. All right. Hope you guys doing all right. Hope you guys doing okay. I said I was going to show you guys what I did yesterday. It was pretty cool. We went through the Claude AI prompts yesterday, and we went through the breakdown of price and what it did. It was unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. I mean, it hits the targets. Actually, it hits the targets at a crazy rate. I'm going to show it to you. It's just crazy, guys. So the Claude is a free version. Like I said, I'm not coding anything, not yet. I still need to do some deep dive into this stuff. But it is mind blowing what you could do with this, man. Oh my god! And the accuracy of it, what is said for me to do yesterday, and I did, and I was able to profit from it. And I'm going to show you to you guys real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna go to Claude AI. Like I said, you know, I did post the link for you guys, man, just in case you needed to, check the link or whatever it is. Let me see real quick, just in case you need to see how this stuff worked. So you could go down my Twitter page, right? Scroll down and go where is it? And go here. I'm sorry. Right here. So I'm going to retweet this prompt for you guys again. So this is the prompt. I just retweeted it. This is the prompt you need to use. Copy and paste this prompt, and Jesus Christ, I mean, there's nothing else that you need. Like, I'm dead serious. It's unbelievable. There's nothing else that you need. This prompt is unbelievable. Copy this prompt. It's on my page. Copy this is what I'm going to use every single time I'm about to do the show or I'm about to do my trade. This is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy this entire prompts. Okay. And I'm going to go to Claude. And like I said, guys, you go to my page, you can see that the link is right here. If you click the link, click the Twitter page, boom. This is the link right here. You see it right here. Claude.ai. This is the link right here. Okay. And this is all you need to do. That's all you need to do. You need to do nothing else. So it's on my Twitter page for you guys if you haven't started using it yet, but it is unbelievable. I'm going to show you what I did yesterday, guys. I mean, it's just mind-bending. So I'm going to go back to Claude real quick, and I have my prompts yesterday. I'm going to paste it here. Let's change a couple of things. So Bitcoin. So I'm going to change. I'm going to change the price. Bitcoin is currently at 72,831. 72,831. Is doing basically evaluating based on 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna leave that. I'm not changing anything else. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this. I'm using $2,000 with 3x leverage. That's it. Run a full confluence analysis using all 5 indicators, the best trading indicators for traders, right? The RSI divergence, the ribbon, the SMT, ICT, the EMA, and the Y call. And it's going to give me exits and entries, take profits, risk roll ratio, and that's it. I'm just going to press enter right now. Okay. So I'm going to let this thing, it's going to give me a long list of information. But before we go through that, let me show you what it told me about yesterday. So I was using this yesterday to as a guideline to trade, and let me show you what happened. This is yesterday, guys. This is yesterday, just absolutely insane. Let me see. Perfect, right here. This is yesterday. This was yesterday. It says yesterday the price, when I was doing the show, the price of Bitcoin was like 67,000, 68,000. Yesterday on the show, Claude told me to basically, actually, let me see something. Let me do. Okay, perfect. So yesterday, this is the information from yesterday when Bitcoin was at 68,000 or 67,000. Oh yeah, actually, Bitcoin was at 68,221. Yesterday, I asked Claude to give me exit entries based on those indicators combined. Tell me what to do. It told me, okay, my entry, cool. It told me basically take profit at 71,500. Take profit 1. Take profit at 73,300. Profit 2. Then it also told me when it was going to happen. There was a 70% chance that we're going to get to 73,300 in 28 to 48 hours. And what happened? In less than 24 hours, we went to 74,100. So we hit 71.3 and we hit 73.3. Madness. Absolute, a 70%. This was yesterday. And it gives me the odds of, the odds of us getting to 75,000 is 55% this week, maybe, who knows? And the odds of falling below 70,000 is 20. Sorry, the odds of us getting to 68,000 is a 20% chance. So as of yesterday, it told me when to take profits, where to set my stop loss, where to take profit to, and it actually happened less than 24 hours later. It's like magic. I was on this show yesterday showing you the stuff, and all the numbers it predicted, it hit it within 24 hours, man. Absolutely freaking nuts. So let me check today. I just put in the right prompt. So guys, like I said, if you want to get the prompt, just go to my Twitter page. I just retweeted it again. So it's very, very simple. It's right here. This is the prompt right here. I just retweeted it again. Go to my Twitter page. Copy this prompt. Copy and paste. Copy everything and paste it. Sorry. Right here. This is the prompt right here. This is my Twitter page. I retweeted it again. Go to my Twitter page, copy this prompt, and paste it in Claude. And it'll give you information based on what you want to do, right? Like I said, it's unbelievable. I just started using this stuff yesterday, right? And I'm gonna try to lean onto it. I'm gonna be using different time frames to see how it works. And of course, everything's a test and see. But yesterday was an absolute crazy situation, man, because it predicted for me to hit those targets in 24 to 48 hours, and it happened less than 24 hours later. It happened. Absolutely insane. Okay, so like I said, go to my Twitter page right now. It's right here. It's right here. Copy this prompt. Copy it. Then go to Claude. Go to Claude and paste it. So you might have to change a couple of things, right? Like it's just it's no big deal, right? Let me see, where is this? Okay, right here. This is the prompts right here. So you might have to change a couple of things. you have to change the price if you want to. You could change it. Says the last three of the 4 hour candles, right? So 4 hour time frame. You could change it based on your trading style. You change it to 15 minutes, one daily time frame, 1 hour time frame, whatever time frame. I think that's all you need to change. That's it. And it will give you all this information. So this is from today. This is right now, right? Yeah. And so let's take a look at this, and let me show you my because of Claude, what it did, and I was able to cash out. Actually, let me go here. So I tweeted this morning. This is all thanks to this Claude AI stuff. Like I said, I still have to, use a little bit more practice, try different things out. But it's right. Let me show you right here. Oh, no, I want to show you my. Hey, right here. This is the win. 8% gain. I took profits at 71,300. 71,300. I probably could have waited, but I just got left it alone. It's whatever. But I am gonna be even more aggressive using this stuff. But it's the proof is in the pudding, right? And when I start using more dollar value to trade, the returns will be a lot bigger. But for now, I'm just trying to close all my old trades. I'm starting from scratch again because I'm using this Claude AI now, which is to me a better, much better. It's a much better, more advanced AI for me, and it's free. At least I'm using the free version, right? The paid versions for people that want to code and do all this stuff, I haven't done that yet. We'll see. But for now, that's what I'm using. But yes, let me. So the prompt is right here. It's basically taking 5 of the best, 5 of the widely used, 5 of the widely used. So okay, let me make sure I got this right. Okay, 5 of the widely used trading indicators and combining them into one, and it gives me price, entries and exits based on information I gave it. So go to my page, get that prompt, post it on here, and watch the magic happen. So we're gonna go through this real quick, kind of like since yesterday. Yeah. So okay, let me make sure this is okay. Okay, I have no questions so far. Yeah. So I'm gonna go through this real quick, man, and we'll see. But yeah, I'm a big fan of this shit, man. I really am. All right. So live market data, real-time MACD is at 1,163, a strong buy signal. The 5-day SMA, 5-day SMA is at 72.2, and the 50-day EMA, the 50-day SMA, the 50-day SMA is at 68.8. We're above that already. BTC is currently trading above those levels, confirming the short and medium trend has flipped bullish. So short and medium trend, we flip bullish. The 200-day moving average is actually 66,859. Also now below price. Wait. So on the 1 hour to the 5 hour time frames, the signal is a strong buy. So if you're trading, the 1 hour or the 5 hour time frame is a strong buy based on all the indicators, right? On the daily, it's neutral. On on a daily, signal is neutral, but if you're trading the 1 hour to the 4 or 5 hour, is a strong buy. On the weekly, it's a strong sell. So if you're trading the weekly, you probably want to take profit right now, because we're looking at, on the weekly candle, the weekly time frame, you probably want to short the market, but it doesn't play out. You probably want to wait until we get like a, maybe it'd be kind of hard to say exactly. Maybe I'm assuming maybe about 73, 75, 76K, maybe short on the weekly. You are trading right now in the Fibonacci pivot, which is a critical decision point. A close above this is equal to a strong continuation signal. So we'll see how everything plays out. But for now, from the 1 hour to a 5 hour time frame, it's a strong buy signal. The last 3-4 candles mentioned. Okay, so candle 1 strong. This is the past 3-4 hour candles, right? The first one, strong green candle, broke 71,911 resistance with momentum, close at 71,926. Candle 2, this is all for this one prompt. It's going to break everything down, and like I said, it gives you more confidence based on your trade. That's all it's about, right? Small green doji consolidation, just above 71,911, holding gains. Green engulfing for candle number 3. Buyers absorb any selling, pushing at 72. It's almost it's absorbed basically. Buyers have absorbed the selling. Guys, remember, we were in a nasty downtrend for a while. So you're gonna get this probably small little uptrend. Like I said, 1 hour trading to the 5 hour time frame, strong buy. If you're trading the weekly, it's a it should be shorted if you're trading weekly, right? So basically what Claude is doing for me here is 2 days ago I went on here and I asked Claude to find the best indicators for trading for me, right? The best indicators, what are they? So it selected 5 of them, right? It selected the smart money concepts, the Wyckoff indicator, the SMA ribbon. It selected the ICT methodology. That's the inner circle trader, and it selected one more. The RSI divergence, right? So it now combined all these 5 indicators for me, and it's going to give me my entries and my exits based on these 5 indicators. That's what it's doing for me. So the first one is it breaks it down individually and tells you what, where, how, one by one. It combines it together, and it gives you the probability of where things are going. Update structure. So right now, update structure, we are at 72,831. We had a change of structure at 68,000, which indicates a structural shift into bullish trend from the 1 hour to the 5 hour time frame. Hey Justin, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? How you doing? But guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, this stuff is no joke, man. This is what I did yesterday or today. I closed my trade based on this indicator, based on this the Claude AI, and it's freaking free. And I told you guys, if you just join the show right now, I recommend you to go to my Twitter page real quick. Go to my Twitter page. Go to my Twitter page and use this. This is the most recent tweet. This is the prompt. Just copy and paste. Copy this prompt, post it in Claude, and watch your mind blow. Yes, and remember, you could change the time frame you're using, change the coin price of Bitcoin, but that's about it. That's all you do. You input the most recent price. That's it. And watch the magic, man. Yeah. So I'm just going through them real quick. So the smart money concept, basically, we changed structure at 68,000. We broke structure on the upside at 71,911. That's what the green check is for. We've done that 1, 2. We've done that perfect. 71,911 was the first major resistance level. We already broke that, and we closed. We broke it and we closed above it. Beautiful. This flips it into a support level. Okay. New bullish order block. So a bullish order block is where the whales are buying, right? We have a new bullish order block at 71,911 to 72,200. So bullish order block, that's where our whales are buying heavily at that point. Okay, the last consolidation before this push, institutions will defend this zone on any pullback. So that's what I'm saying. It's identified the order blocks for me. So institutions would try to make sure we don't drop below 71,911 or 72,200. We have a fair value gap. That's a big one. The fair value gap is basically another area that's left open that normally the price normally gets attracted to. The next target for fair value gap is the next resistance levels after 71,911 are 90,133 and 92,918. That's probably going to happen anytime soon. But the nearest unfilled fair value gap on a 4-hour time frame is 74,000 to 75,000. I mean, this is unbelievable. So it's telling you, whatever happens, we're probably going to go fill those fair value gaps at 74K to 75K. So I'm still long on some trades right now, but I closed 3 today. I'm going to close more as the higher we go, I keep closing them. And when it's time to short, I'm going to take my short, because right now it's not the time to short the market right now. Because definitely the whales are in control based on all these indicators combined that's telling me to do so. And liquidity sweeps complete. We had a liquidity sweep on the lows at 63,030. Low already swept 1 week. So 1 week ago, that's why I keep saying, like, if a lot of people had this information in front of them, they would realize that you don't want to be shorted at 63K, because that's a liquidity sweep. What whales did was they saw, it's called a liquidity sweep for a reason. Whales identified this level. A lot of retail traders were shorting Bitcoin at this price. Because of that, because whales could see the shorts building up, they would push the price down, liquidate everyone, and send the price back up. That's what happened 7 days ago. And we already swept that liquidity. That's why we have a green check mark here. I'm telling you right now, this information I'm getting right now is what people pay thousands of dollars for. Thousands of dollars is what people pay to get this information for freaking free. Unbelievable. Remember, I've been using AI to trade for like 3-4 months now. I've never seen this kind of breakdown before. Not like this. Not like, maybe I was doing it wrong. I don't know. I don't think so. But I've used Grok, I've used ChatGPT, but using this Claude AI, oh my God. And I think it's because I gave it the right prompts. I gave the right prompt to give me the right information, man. That's the reason why I'm able to win right now. At least for right now, right? I haven't lost yet. And if I do, I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I lose. But man, this stuff is unbelievable. Like, I'm like, the fact that it was able to predict, oh, wait, one second, guys. Battery's about to die. The fact that it was able to predict us getting to 74K 24 to 48 hours ahead, and it actually happened less than 24 hours later. I was talking about this stuff yesterday on the show when the price was 68,000. It predicted this happening 24 hours later, and it freaking did. What? Yeah, unbelievable. All right, so we've swept liquidity, green check mark, perfect. Buy side liquidity now resting above 75,000. That's where smart money is going to short. Once we get to the buy side liquidity at 75,000, that's where smart money will start to short. That's where probably I'm going to place my short at once we get there. But as of right now, you should be longing. Based on your entries, if you are in a long, it might be advisable just be patient. You can take your profits, short, protect your money, of course. But I still have some couple of trades on right now, which I'm just gonna let it ride and we'll see. All right. So based on the smart money concepts, it has a 9.5 confidence we're going long. 9.5 out of 10 confidence that price is going higher. Like we're going to touch 75,000, right? That's the next pay value gap between 74 to 75k. Yeah, freaking nuts, man. Absolutely crazy. Strategy 2, the ICT method. I can't say this word. Methodology. There you go. The ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader, and it talks about kill zones, OTE zones, judo swings areas, and basically what Claude is doing for me is telling me that look, all these indicators is giving a green check mark that it's achieved this goal, green check mark. It's achieved that goal, green check mark. The first one is the kill zone, New York session, the highest probability window active right now. It checked that already. The OTE zone, 60 to 79% Fibonacci of $60,000 to 75,000 projected swing. It hits 70,000 to 500 to 71,400. Price bounced perfectly from OTE and now expanding. It checked that already. Judo swing already completed at 1 week ago. The judo swing means a wick downwards to sweep liquidity. Boom. It did that 7 days ago when price went to whales swept liquidity at 63,030. Took that liquidity, green check mark. Power of 3. Asia accumulated at 70,000 Asia accumulated at 71,000 to 71,500. London manipulated the price below 71,005, and New York is able to get in this distribution phase, pushing towards 74,000 to 75,000. Okay, Fibonacci pivots at 72,857 is a key inner circle trader equilibrium level. A 4-hour close above this confirms New York session distribution is targeting the premium zone at $74,000 to $75,000. Jesus Christ, this is absolutely beautiful, man. The fact that it just breaks it down for you, boom, 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 boom. I love that. PD arrays, man. These 71,911 region to 72,200 zone is now a bullish breaker block. Best pullback entry, a price retest. So basically, a price right now we are at 72,781. A price retest 71. It might also be a good entry for you. But according to ICT, based on all its levels, it has a 9 out of 10 confidence we're going long. That's 2 out of 2. Okay. Then the strategy number 3, using the Wyckoff method. It's basically mapping the price at coin price. Wyckoff method strategy number 3. Remember what I said before? It's analyzing 5 of the best trading indicators and combine them into one, and it's gonna tell me where does it think price goes from there. And that's why I was able to win in my trade yesterday, because I use this stuff, and that's the reason why I'm going to use this stuff from now on. And hopefully, what I want to do, honestly, what I would like to do is to create my own trading bots and use these 5 indicators with buy sell signals combined together. That's what I would like to do. I haven't done that yet. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so far this freaking shit is unbelievable, man. It's absolutely unbelievable, and I am just shocked at how how accurate this stuff has been so far, right? Okay, let's keep going. So for the Wyckoff, we have the selling climax phase level was at 60,000. Status complete. You see that? So we've already done that already. That's already done. We have the AR automatic rally into 72,270 complete. That happened already. We have the spring phase was at 63,030. That already happened. Complete, done. We have the LPS last point of support phase at 67,100. That happened already. Complete, done. We have the SOS phase signal of strength was at 71,911. That broke already, just confirmed, done. We have phase D markup at 72,831. That's happening right now. It's currently active. We're gonna see if we do close above 72.8, that will also get a green check mark. We'll see how that plays out. And we have an LPSY, our last supply zone, is next at 74,000 to 75,000. That's next level. We have our final phase at phase E, full markup, 78,000 Bitcoin to 85,000. That's a kind of longer term targets. So the 4-hour chart shows Bitcoin compressing between demand and trend line resistance before a breakout. After sweeping liquidity near 60,000, Bitcoin formed a strong recovery leg and is now expanding. This type of structure typically precedes significant expansion. Cool. Wyckoff indicator also telling me we're going freaking long. Phase D markup confirmed. Phase E is targeting 79,000 to 85,000. Wyckoff confidence level is 9 out of 10. Beautiful. Let's go to number 4. We have like I said, guys, very, very simple. All you have to do, go to my Twitter page right now. I have the prompt. This is the prompt I'm using. Copy this prompt right here. Copy this prompt right here. Copy this prompt. Just paste it in ChatGPT and paste it in Claude AI. And the tweets is on my page right now. We also the Claude AI Twitter page with the link. In case you guys do not find the link, whatever, just go to Claude, go to the Twitter page. The link is right there. And it's all for fucking free. All fucking free. Unbelievable. I'm not paying anything for this shit, man. None. Zero. Free. All right. So copy this prompt and paste the whole thing, right? All you have to do is just input the coin price of Bitcoin, and also input the time frame you want to use for trading. I'm using a 4-hour. You could use the 1 hour or the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes or the 5-hour or the daily. It's up to you. Okay. Just use this and watch your life change when it comes to trading. I'm not even saying, because remember, I've been using this AI stuff for a while, right? And I'm like, I am looking at things. I'm like, whoa, the explanations is unbelievable. I love the breakdown, step by step by step by step, and it actually freaking happens and gives you percentages, the probability of it happening, and how long for it to happen. Yeah. So let's go to RSI divergence. That's number 4. Remember, it's actually combining 5 of the best indicators for trading all in one, combined together, and telling me where my entries and my exits are based on the time frame I'm using, based on the amount I'm using, and based on leverage I'm using. And all the information is right in front of you. All you have to do is just input the numbers onto your trading platform, and you're done. It's that fucking simple. Strategy number 4, RSI divergence. On the 1 hour to the 5-hour time frames, RSI is a strong buy. On the 4-hour, RSI has crossed above the 55 level and is heading towards 65. neutral to bullish territory with room to run before being overbought. Divergence status at 72,831. Previous divergence, bullish hidden divergence was at 63,030, has fully resolved to the upside. Green check mark, done. RSI made a high low at 63,030 with the spring, now making a higher high above a 55 plus RSI, which equates to a divergence played, which equals to a divergence played out perfectly. No new divergence is forming. This is a clean trend, not a reversal trend. It's a clean trend up, not a reversal trend. The next RSI to watch is the 65 level. If the RSI hits 65 while price is below 75,000, start thinking about taking profits. So basically that means we're probably gonna head down, right? So this is the reason why, like, every day before I make a trade, before I sell, before I buy, I need to consult the ship first before I do anything. And this is the beauty of this fucking cloud AI shit. I didn't get this with ChatGPT or with Grok. This is different, very, very different. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the prompt I'm using here on ChatGPT and Grok and see what happens. I'm gonna do it today and see what happens, right? But I this is different because it also gives you a dashboard where you see all your prices and all this shit, and we'll go through that at the very end. So based on the RSI divergence, is telling me green check mark, long continuation, confidence level 8.5 out of 10, right? Insane. So based on the 4 indicators so far we looked at, the smart money concept was a 9 out of 5 out of 10 going long. The Wyckoff was a 9 out of 10 going long. What's the other one that we just looked at? I forgot. Wyckoff was 9 out of 10. And the ICT method was the inner circle trading method was a 9 out of 10 also. And this is the RSI divergence indicators give me an 8.5 over 10. We're going long. So this is the very, very last one. The EMA ribbon. The EMA ribbon, all major moving averages are now below price signaling. Sorry, I'm just hyper, man. I'm hyper. Sorry. All major moving averages. Let me just make sure my audio is working. Audio perfect. Hey, Crucifixion, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? I see you, bro. What's going on? And I will say it again. If you just joined the show, all you have to do is go to my Twitter page right now, copy and paste this prompt. This all you have to do. Copy and paste this prompt. The tweet is on my Twitter page. Copy and paste this prompt into Claude AI. All you have to do is change the price to the current price of Bitcoin, or also look at your time frame. If you're trading a 4 hour, the 1 hour, that's all you have to do. Just able to give you all this breakdown. It's fucking believable, absolutely unbelievable. Like I'm dead serious, man. All right, so strategy number 5, EMA ribbon. All major moving averages are now below price and signaling a buy. The 5-day smooth moving average SMA. The 5-day SMA is at 72,200. We've hit that. 50-day SMA is at 68K. We've done that already. We green check mark. 200-day SMA 6,000. We've done already. Done. So three green checks for that price. The EMA stack at 72,831, bullish alignment. All these EMAs are signaling bullish. 7-day EMA bullish, 21-day EMA bullish, 55-day EMA bullish, 100-day EMA bullish, and the 200-day EMA bullish. Guys, 5 Done, and done. Fucking amazing. Love it. So what else? So full bullish EMA stack confirmed. All 5 EMA below price and in correct order for the first time. Wow. Wait, what? Wait. All 5 EMAs below price and in correct order for the first time since all-time high October 2025. Whoa. This is a major structural signal. I don't know what to tell you, but this is what I can tell you guys. I'm not saying that we're going to 100K tomorrow. No. What I'm saying is you should not be shorting the market right now, not at this price. You should short at 75K, at 74K. That's where you short. You don't short right now. And all the signals is going long, right? That's all the signals. I'm not saying it's 100% foolproof. That's why we have risk management, set our stop loss, but a 9.5 over 10 confidence. We have a strong buy based on EMA ribbon. Unfucking believable, man. Full confluence scorecard. Everything is green. Everything is green. So based on all so these are all the indicators right here. Right? Right here. Let me zoom in over 1 second, guys. Let me zoom out. Okay. Perfect. So it's giving me a full summary. It's giving me a full summary of everything. I want to get this. Okay. There we go. Perfect. So this is the full summary, like I said before, right? I'm not using this one indicator. I'm using the 5 best indicators for making money. And it broke everything down for me, combined everything together. Is that going to tell me what is my outcome? What am I doing right now? Okay. Using the SMA signal long 9.5 over 10, the inner circle trader plus OTE and AMD long 9 over 10, confidence level 9 over 10. Using the Wyckoff method long 9.9 over 10, confidence level. RSI divergence long continuous 8.5 over 10. AMA ribbon strong long 9.5 over 10. If you combine everything together, it's telling me I have a strong long right now. 9.1 over 10. That is what it's telling me. And remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. This time frame might be different. That's why I say when you post the prompts, make sure you change the time frame based on how you're trading. I'm using a 4-hour candle, so which could be 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks, 1 month, 6 weeks before everything plays out, right? Because I guarantee you, if you change the time frame, everything looks different. So I'm using a 4-hour time frame for this. That's why I said this is the prompt. Go to my Twitter page. I'm gonna say it again. I know we have the new viewers here. Go to my Twitter page. I just retweeted this shit. This is Claude AI. Click it. Use the link. Copy this prompt. Copy paste. Paste it in whatever. Then change the price to the coin price of Bitcoin. Then also change the time frame. Are you using the 4-hour time frame? Are you using a daily? So you have to change that right here. You see that when it says 4H candles, change this to 1-hour candle or a 15-minute candle or the daily candle, whatever candle, change it. Okay. Yeah, based on time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. That's the information it's giving me. So all right, let's keep going. So basically, all these indicators combined on the 4-hour fucking time frame is telling me go fucking long. I already taken profit three times. I closed 3 trades today. Three trades closed today because I use this indicator, and I have a lot more trades still live. I want to see, because remember, I like to push things, and it's saying my next fair value gap is at 75,000, so that might be where I close some more positions, and also I might actually even start shorting from there. That might be where RSI goes above 65. Like I said, all the information is here. So basically, as you want to close a trade, you should come back on here and take a look and make sure you are following your stuff. So basically, I'm going on this analysis here. So this is the highest confidence score we've seen in the entire analysis. Wow. 5 out of 5 strategies, all above 8.5. Crazy. So based on all these indicators, this is the highest score it's had. So I mean, you can't go wrong, right? If the 5 most popular indicators are telling you, giving you a bullish signal that we're going higher, you can't go. I'm not saying we go to 100 get to more. What I'm saying is, basically, you've had opportunity to long the market when we touch 60K. Imagine if you had a long from 60K all the way up to right now. Look how much you would have won, right? So it's still seeing me going long, right? And we'll keep going. So, and also it's giving me long and short entries. So right now, strong long, high conviction setup, and these are the exact entries, right? So right here. So these are all the indicators basically, and the confidence level, right? And overall is about 8.5, pretty cool. Or I'm sorry, it's like 9.1 overall. But based on, I said I'm doing $2,000 using 3x leverage. I asked it for entries and exits, right? So it's giving me entries and exits. I'm already in. My trade's already in. Okay. So based on this information, this information, my entry of at 72,000, it just kind of tells you where to take profits at, where there's probably going to be a pullback or a breakout. So it just kind of gives you more information, right? But best entry, the best entry is 72,000 to 72,200. That's the new support zone. Okay. So don't say, oh, I don't say, and remember, this is on the 4-hour time frame, because every time frame is different. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame, if the price does pull back to 71.8, you should be able to take a long there, right? That's, you can set your limit orders. If you do pull back to that, that's your entry. Okay. So it gives you stop loss. Like I said, it's give you entries. It's telling you where to take profit at, which is freaking awesome. Then your risk reward ratio also. But yeah, man, right here, this is the breakdown calculation. So if I have $2,000 and I'm doing a 3x leverage, and my entry is 72,200, I'm basically risking, if my stop loss gets hit, I'm risking $174. If the price does go to where it's expecting to go at 75K, I'm going to make $348 profits, right? If the price does go to take profit, remember, it's giving you take profit 1, that's at 72,000. Take profit 2 is at 79,000. That's, you make $846 based on using 2K and 3x leverage. Okay. And it's using basically risk reward ratio at 1 to 2 for take profit 1, and risk reward ratio at 1:4. That's what it's using. Okay. Okay. And always, you don't always have to wait to take profit at these levels. If you feel like you're happy where you are, take it, because you can never always catch the bottom. Today I took profits at 71,300, but the price kept going up. it's what it is, no problem, right? But eventually, when I start using a lot more money, I'm not gonna care. Right now, I'm still in experimental phase, but it looks like I like what I'm seeing here because it's giving me more confidence, right? That's what it's about. I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro trader. All I do is I learn things, I learn my mistakes. I'm trying to become better at what I do. And whatever I learn, I put it out for you guys. And that's what I do, okay? So it also tells you what invalidates this trade. So if we have a 4-hour close below 71,900, exits immediately. If we close below 70,800, full exit everything. If the price goes below 70,800, close everything. You should not be in a long. You should be closing your trades. If RSI drops below 50 on a 4-hour candle, reduce size by 50%. I love this because it also breaks it down for you. This is called risk management to protect you. So imagine you're using 2K to trade now, right? And just say you made your money and things are going the wrong way, right? You could be okay. You're trading with $2,000, but you're risking $200 or you're risking $180. That's fine. That's an acceptable loss, which you can't win all the time. This is what it's telling you to do. Immediately start seeing all the structural changes in price. That's when you start to make changes overall, right? Then what else? How long I'm probably going to end the show soon. I need to go see I'm probably going to end about 4 minutes. Hey, son, what's up, bro? What's up? What's going on? So what else here? So if the balloon dries up, of course, coming out. If the daily candle goes below 70K, of course, our thesis is broken. We had a full-blown reversal of trend if that happens, okay? But remember, we have a very strong indicator. We're going a lot higher, at least to 75,000. Based on those 5 indicators, every single one of them a strong buy. Every single one of them is going long, right? Probability of success. Here we go. This is what I love right here, right? Probability of success. Does the price hold above 71,911? 82% chance that happens. Why? Because we have a breakout structure confirmed, and all our EMAs are below price. All of them are below price. 82% chance we hold above 71,911. And we have a 63% chance we hit 75,000. That's a major resistance level. 75,000 has no major resistance until there. So basically our next resistance level after 71,911 is at 90,133. So we'll see what happens. If we could break above 75K, guys, we're going to 90K, man. If we could break above 75K and break and close above it on the higher time frames, guys, we're going 90K. We're going to 90 freaking K. That's the reason why, of course, you're protecting your assets. Of course, it doesn't just go straight there. No, but you're trading based on different time frames. Different time frames gives you makes you sell and buy based on time frames. It's all about time frame trading. I prefer to trade the 1 hour and 4 hour because it's a longer time frame. Doesn't stress me because remember, I've held the trades I sold yesterday. I held them for 5 weeks, 5 fucking weeks. So I've been looking at the prices from 60,000, man, or 61,000 to 73K today for 5 fucking weeks. That's trading the 1 hour and 4 hour because I don't like stress. I put in my orders, I left it alone. At one point, I was down for a while and I came up to the green and end up closing. I was red for a long time, and I closed my track, closed 3 trades today in the green because of this Claude AI shit. Because give me confidence and give me, I'm seeing, so all this AI trading stuff, indicators, it gives you a flashlight in the dark. That's my explanation. This, using AI helps, but it's not a foolproof 100%. But it gives you flashlights in the dark. Trading is very, very difficult. But using all these indicators and this AI stuff combined together, it gives you even a brighter light in the dark. That's why I fucking love this shit. Yeah. All right. Let's go in here. So the odds that the price hits 79,000, 42% chance. That's a bear flag invalidation. That's the major key zone. If it hits 79,000, that's a major key zone. We do that, the bear trend has been broken. We're officially back. I mean, in the short-term bull. I don't say we're not in the bull markets now. We're in a short-term bull if we do close on the longer time frame above 79,000. We have a 28% chance, of hitting 81,000 to 85,000. Strong bullish scenario and a wedge top. So, like I said, the chances does reduce as the price goes higher. We have an 18% chance the price goes to 70,800. 18% chance, 18, very low chance, but we'll see. Overall success. Right now, my trade, me being active right now, my other trades, I have a 68% chance in winning my coin trade. So that's the full analysis. Unbelievable. So the bottom line, and I'm going to go back to this again 1 second. The bottom line, this is a 9.1 over 10 confluence long setup. The strongest reading of our entire session today. All EMAs below price for the first time since October 2025. All-time high. Madness. Wyckoff phase D is active. The smart money concept breakout structures confirmed. The inner circle trader power of three pointing to 74,000 to 75,000 by New York open close, hopefully this week. Bullish, guys. Action right now, if not in. So if you are not in based on all the indicators combined, what it's telling us to do, you can wait for a pullback to 72,000 to 72,200. That is your entry. Okay. If already in at 68,002, use a trail stop. Basically, you're taking profits at 71. You're taking profits as it goes. Stop loss at 71,000. Target 75,000. Then 79,000. That's what he's telling me, right? That's why I haven't sold my stuff yet. But like I said before, if you're in a big green position, don't leave your position to hold. You could take some profit for yourself, right? Just pay yourself, right? Stop loss at 78,800, non-negotiable. Your stop loss, don't fuck around with that. Your risk management, 70,800 stop loss, right? First major targets, 75%. Yeah. So is it 50% chance we get to 75,000? We'll see. Let's the rest ride to, so basically ride to 79,000, guys. So I'm gonna go back again. I know we have a lot of you. I'm about to end the show soon. I need to go spend time with the kids. So before I end the show, I'm going to go back to my Twitter page again. Very simple. Go to my Twitter page. My Twitter page right here. Of course, follow for sure. I don't care. I'm trying to make money, no problem. Go to my Twitter page. Scroll down. This is what you need right here. Okay. This is the prompt. Copy this prompt. I will put a link for you guys. Claude AI, right? Copy Claude AI. That's the Twitter page. The link is right there. Claude.ai's website. Okay, cool. copy and paste this entire prompt into Claude AI. What you do, all you have to do, based on you, because everybody is different. All you have to do is change two things. Change the Bitcoin price. Just input the current price of Bitcoin, okay? The current price of Bitcoin, and also put in your time frame. What time frame do you want to use? I using the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 15 minutes, the 3 hour, the daily, the weekly, whatever it is. That's all you have to do. Once you do that, then it will give you this entire breakdown. I mean, I'm telling you right now, people pay thousands of dollars to get this information. I'm getting it for fucking free. Free. What the hell? What the hell, man? So because I'm trading 4 hour, I can let my trade sit and ride. Currently, right now, I have a couple of trades in, and we'll see how it plays out. And I'm gonna close a bunch of them also, like as I keep going. I'll just keep closing my trades. I have a lot other longs, and so this was yesterday. I was able to let me show you. I was able to close my trade. This one I made a mistake. I wasn't supposed to close it yesterday. I mean, I was supposed to leave it open. I don't know. I made a mistake with this one. I don't know what I did. I did something wrong with this one. But these are the two trades I closed yesterday. I'm sorry, I closed today. I closed it in the green, which is pretty good. So I'm just basically waiting for more of them to play out. I'll just keep closing there. Remember, I'm trading a 4 hour time frame, so it takes longer to play out. The 4 hour time frame could take basically 1 week to 2 weeks to play out, right? But that's why I like it. I like the no stress level, because my goal is to trade with $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, use a 2x leverage based on my entries, and just set my take profit level and just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Let it play out, right? That's it. Okay. Because I want to trade less, but with more money. I don't want to be trading 50 times or 50. I don't want to have 50 trades open. No, I want to have 1 or 2 trades open, and that's it. Nothing else. So I think that's about it, man. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys again tomorrow. But yeah, let me go look at this chart real quick. And like I said, guys, I've been watching these charts from when we were at 60K, and it's just unbelievable to watch it play out the way it is right now. And I mean, we are in we have a higher high and a higher low, and we are pushing up with strong momentum, with strong volume, and we'll see what happens. But as of right now, there's no stopping Bitcoin from going to 75K. Actually, I think we might get to let me check something. I think we might get to probably about, like, we break 80. It's hard to say though, right? Let me see something real quick. I want to look at the order blocks. The order blocks is where the whales have their money. So let me take a look at this shit real quick. Order blocks. I need to smart money, no. Order block. Flux charts. Okay. Right here. So on the 4 hour time frame, I don't see no way. Yeah, guys, I don't see no joke. Like on the 4 hour time frame, the next order blocks are positioned at 88,000. Yeah. So let me look at the daily real quick. Look at the daily. So the next order block on the daily is 92,000, guys. So let me look at the hourly. So hourly gives me a lot more. I can see a lot more. I'm pretty close to hitting a bearish order block, right? So the next order block is so this is hourly, right? I don't want to cast down, right? So basically on the 4 hour, this is what I said, right? It takes long, right? It takes a long time. But on the 4 hour, my next order block is at 88,000 to 91,000. Remember, this could take another 1 or 2 months before this happens. That's why I'm like, I prefer to trade the high time frames because it gives me, I have no stress, man. I have less stress. I'm not stressing my life, right? I'm not staying on the chart all fucking day long. You know what I mean? And it just makes more sense for me. So, guys, let me end this show right here, man. I need to go spend time with the kids, man. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? I'm not sure, but if I could be live tomorrow, I'll be live immediately when I can. I'll just jump on, right? But yeah, man, guys, like I said, I recommend you guys try it. I think with this AI stuff, it's all about the information you give it. Because the better the prompt, the better the response. And one more thing before I end. One more thing. I want to show you guys something real quick. One more thing. There's the dashboard. Yes. Where's the dashboard? Yes. That was from. Where's the dashboard? Okay. Let me see. I don't think so. Okay. Let me. I'll do this. I'll end the show. This is why I fucking love this Claude. So, paste. Recalculate dashboard and use coin price. Coin price is 72,974. This is 76. So watch what happens. Recalculate dashboard with coin price. Oh, boom. Now watch what happens to this fucking thing. Watch his magic. Watch this fucking thing happen right now. 1 sec. Sorry, guys. Okay. So it's gonna give me a dashboard, so I don't have to read. I mean, of course, all the information we went through today, right? We went through that shit, no problem. But it actually creates a dashboard for you with all that information on one fucking page. Yes. This is why I said AI is going to take over. And like I said before, what I would love to do, I haven't figured it out yet, man. What I would love to do is to have my AI agents use all these indicators that I use and give me a buy sell signal based on that. You're done. And automatically deposit my money into that agent to buy and sell for me. Automatically, I'll just link my wallet or API to the exchange. I'll deposit my 2,000, 5,000, whatever how much money, and I'll say I'm doing a 3x leverage. Go ahead and trade for me. That's what I'm looking for. I haven't found that yet. I know there's some trading bots out there, right, that do different things, right? But we'll see what happens. Yesterday didn't take this long though. I don't know. Maybe I didn't do it right, but recalculate dashboard. Oh boy. Okay, let me do something real quick. I want to show you guys this shit real quick. I want to show you guys this shit. It was fucking believable. Oh, right here, perfect, right here. I hope it shows it to me. I hope it doesn't give me an error. Watch this shit, guys. Just watch this shit. Hope it works, man. I don't know if it will though. I hope it does. Oh, it might work. It might work. I hope it does. Okay, yeah, here it is. Here you go. So guys, look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. Look at this. So it gives you an actual trading dashboard. That 1 second. It gives you an actual trading dashboard that includes okay, it's just recalculating, right? There we go. There we go. Yes. So basically, look, man, it tells you, right? Look at this. Everything is on one page now. It tells you, because remember, you're using your entry, how much you've made so far, your profit and loss, and you can scroll down. It also shows you. Let me zoom in some more. This is fucking nuts, guys. Absolutely insane. I mean, look at this shit. Yeah, look at this shit. Give you the price, how much you made so far, your entry, basically your long is telling you the coin price, give you your entry. It tells you your live profit and loss. It tells you where your stop loss is. It tells you where your take profit is, your stop loss, your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It tells you basically the scenarios, retest levels. It tells you the confluence based on the confidence, basically what we looked at, right? SMA indicator is in 9.5 over 10. Strong buy, everything right here. Done. Look at this. Scroll down. It gives you everything here. Everything that I talked about, everything that we went through, all that stuff that we spoke about earlier, the entire show. It puts everything on a fucking dashboard, man. On a dashboard. This is what ChatGPT and Grok doesn't do. Everything on one page. So everything I just went through this entire show, it puts it on a dashboard for you. I mean, this is fucking nuts, man. This is nuts to me. This is fucking crazy. Everything I went through is on one fucking screen. So this is why I'm like, yo, I don't know about you, man, but I would highly recommend you guys, don't miss the show. And I recommend you guys start using this AI tools, man, to help you out. I mean, it's not like all or be all, whatever, right? But it's supposed to help you, man. I mean, if you have a tool to help you, you'll use it, right? You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. You have a tool to help you, you fucking use it. That's it. So guys, yeah, so that's why I'm gonna end the show there. And I will see you guys again. Oh shit, could you see it? Oh shit, sorry guys. I apologize, man. So sorry. Let me show you what it looks like again. I apologize. You guys can see that. So this is what it looks like right here. The dashboard. This is the dashboard right here. So the entire show, everything we talked about today, it put everything on a dashboard. Everything is here. What's up? No, I'm done. I'm leaving it. I'm done. Don't come? Wait, I shouldn't come? I'm too confused. What the hell just happened? Guys, I'll see you guys later, man. I just ended. I'll see you guys soon. And I'll be back. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be back. Okay. So let me end this show. At this second, I gotta go. So we'll be live for about like an hour, right? Like an hour and 19 minutes. Let me end. I'll see you guys soon. And show. I'll be back again tomorrow, guys. See you guys again later. Okay. See you guys later.